So many people have invested in cryptocurrencies at the beginning of 2017. The reason for that was the hype around cryptos like Bitcoin. Now they stopped investing in crypto, because they lost all their money and they think everything is a scam. But cryptocurrencies are of course not a scam, it is a great opportunity that just started. Most people just wanted to get rich quick without informing themselves. So before we can start, first we have to analyze what happened. The analysis will be based on Bitcoin, because it leads to cryptocurrency market, and represents to crypto market most clearly. So why did the price of most cryptocurrencies drop that hard? A lot of people seem to blame regulations for the fall of prices of the crypto market. However, that is not the whole story. Those who control the supply and the bag holders benefit from people who think that these fluctuations are caused by anti-market events in the world, not by Bitcoin itself. But Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies did not mainly crash because of regulations. It crashed because it was set up for that big crash, like most of the other cryptocurrencies. So as we said before, the cryptocurrency analysis will be based on Bitcoin, because it leads the crypto market. So 7 years after the introduction of the Bitcoin white paper, the price of one coin jumped to $3,000 and shortly after, crashed to around $2,000. After that big drop, it continued his upward trend to $4,500 again, and then dropped to $3,700. Shortly after, the cryptocurrency hype started, and everyone was trying to get into the crypto market. So Bitcoin value per coin suddenly exploded, and peaked at around $20,000. Then it crashed and a long-term downtrend followed. In 2019, Bitcoin then suddenly jumped again from $2,500 to $10,000, and shortly after crashed again. So Bitcoin crashes were not something new. It was a simple repeat of the market. But why is this all happening? So Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies grew mostly because uninformed people and enthusiasts bought a lot of coins. So they didn't know much about blockchain or cryptocurrency, and didn't even try to learn about the technology behind it. They just thought they can get wealthy in a short amount of time, but that was not the case. Sadly, they were the ones that had to suffer the most when the crypto bubble burst. So it took Bitcoin 1.5 years, from 2016 until 2017, to gather enough excited people to create the first crypto bubble. It then crashed, and many people lost a lot of money. So what is now next for the crypto market? It seems that the next wave of overly excited people will be gathered throughout the next 4 years. But this time, they will understand the technology behind it, and therefore also understand the huge potential. Therefore, it might be possible that the cryptocurrency market could have a huge bull run again. As a result, Bitcoin for example could be able to achieve a 1,300% increase once again. This sounds impossible, but you can still call it a small bubble by today's standard, as the total valuation of the crypto market is only about $800 billion. This is pretty low if you compare it to the dot-com bubble with near $9.5 trillion. So as we can see, there is a lot of potential for cryptocurrencies to grow in the future. Now let us talk about the trends of crypto market in the next few years. The analysis has already shown that the crypto market, and especially Bitcoin, has suffered a lot in the past year. As a result, a lot of people have lost their money. So there are not many people that want to trade with cryptocurrency or invest in Bitcoin. This sounds negative at first sight, but it is actually good for us. So because most people don't want to invest in crypto anymore, the trading volume will drop. And as a result of the low trading volume, the price volatility will be much lower. So it is easier to realize when the cryptocurrency market bottomed. In addition, a lot of cryptocurrency believers like John McAfee, Sunny Singh, Tom Lee and many more still believe that crypto will skyrocket in the next few years. Also Ethereum for example, is making massive changes with Serenity, which will lead to broader market usage of cryptocurrencies and therefore push the price up. In addition, there are also more institutional investors that will join the crypto market. So this is a good sign that at the end of the year, the crypto market could see huge gains again. Of course, the cryptocurrency market will never have such a huge bull run again as in 2017. But we can expect small runs at the end of the year. So what is our cryptocurrency investment strategy now? The cryptocurrency market lost obviously a lot of value. The reason for that is that a lot of investors turned their backs. But as Warren Buffett said before, be fearful when others are greedy, and be greedy when others are fearful. You should always keep that in mind when you invest in Bitcoin. Following the cryptocurrency market trend, we expect an uptrend again in around 2 years. In 4 years it might reach his high point and crash again. So the crypto market won't get all of his value back next year, but it will rise again and surpass all our expectations. So we advise you to stay calm and be patient. Use the first half of the year to learn everything about cryptocurrencies. It is important to understand what you are investing in. So the future for cryptos looks great. So our advice is to wait until the end of the year, when a market upward trend is visible. Then buy small amounts of your favorite cryptocurrency and wait to see if the market stabilizes. If that's the case, invest in larger quantities.